Master terrestrial and aerial infrared thermography with drones and open up a world of technological and professional possibilities. Become an expert in this cutting-edge technology and expand your professional horizons with innovative and valuable applications. Infrared thermography allows you to visualize the temperature distribution in objects using cameras that detect emitted infrared radiation. Infrared thermography is used in sectors such as energy efficiency, failure prediction, preventive maintenance, search and rescue, agriculture and archaeology. You will learn applications such as heat leak detection, machinery failure identification, infrastructure inspection, people location, agricultural monitoring, solar panel inspection, and much more. Combining infrared thermography with drones offers advantages such as greater range, aerial perspective, efficiency in data collection, and reduced operating costs. This course is aimed at professionals from various sectors without the need for prior knowledge in thermography or drones. Take advantage of this opportunity. You will learn the fundamentals of thermography, use of cameras, image capture and analysis, sector applications, drone piloting, inspection planning and report preparation. Don't miss the opportunity to become a thermography expert. Enroll now and advance your career with cutting-edge skills.